自己研究翻啲歐洲啊，關於以前喺即係早期教父嘅時候啦，尤其是早期嘅基督徒，即係主耶穌之後嘅400-500年嗰段時間嗰個 range， 其實有好多好出名嘅基督徒咧，係一生都唔使食嘢嘅，最長嗰啲係52年咧，係完全唔食嘢嘅。嗱，當然啦，如果因為佢哋出名到係啲皇帝啊，歐洲啲皇帝啊，都會走去問佢哋關於佢哋嘅國家啊，佢哋應該點做啊，佢哋嘅前程啊咁樣，佢又好準確講俾佢聽嘅。咁但問題其中一樣嘢，個個皇帝都知道呢個人係唔使食嘢嘅幾廿年。但當然啦，如果佢呢啲皇帝其實有食嘢嘅話，神早斬咗頭啦。但歷史上面咧，其實係唔止一個，有好多呢啲嘅人嘅。咁事實上你會睇到喺歷史上邊咧，按住喺1922年啊，呢個皇家醫藥學院喺英國倫敦咧，佢哋都頒布就講噶嘛。佢話按住佢哋喺1922年咧，佢哋對醫學嘅認識咧，佢話其實太陽光線係其實成為人類最好嘅食物啊嘛。但係咧，跟住佢哋又冇講喎。咁點樣成為人類最好嘅食物？咁事實上喺歷史上面咧，我講緊係成千上百嘅唔同宗教嘅有啲嘅修道士啦，有啲嘅清教徒啦，有啲嘅印度教徒啦，有啲我講緊係中國嘅人啦。都係講緊辟谷嘅嚇，唔係話好似淨係我哋武俠小説講話咧，人係辟谷咁樣嘅，因為練氣功內功，唔係喎，我講緊好多都係牽涉到嗰啲苦行僧啊，嗰啲嘅清教徒啊，尤其是係羅馬時代嘅基督徒啊，好多佢哋都係唔需要食嘢嘅嚇。咁我講緊係由10年啦、20年啦，最長係52年啦，係記載喺歷史上面嘅。咁事實上，當我研究呢一個咧，喺我過去咁多年當中咧，研究呢一個嘅題目咧，我覺得係一個好神秘嘅謎題，因為我知道嗰啲我以前就唔信道教嗰啲係咪真嘅啊？尤其是我信咗主，我唔信印度教嗰啲，但我唔能夠否定早期教父。而家我哋睇緊嘅好多係佢哋嘅釋經書，佢哋唔使食嘢㗎嘛，我哋唔能夠話佢假，佢講大話，明唔明啊？佢係呃緊皇帝，佢揾命搏，咁唔係㗎嘛，因為嗰度唔止一個，係好多個。咁但係問題亦唔止淨係基督教。OK， 如果你話基督教因為係神棍咁，但係問題呢啲人全部都唔係攞錢嘅。OK， 佢根本連食物都唔需要，佢根本都唔會乞人嘅錢或者係賺人嘅錢，佢唔需要佢哋，多數都係赤腳啊，去走天涯啊，去周圍流浪啊，呢啲咁樣嘅苦行僧同埋聖徒。咁喺歷史上咪有，但係從來佢哋唔講個秘密究竟係乜嘢啊？究竟我哋點樣揾到一個唔需要食物嘅生存方法咧？OK 咁但係問題，如果呢個方法真係做得到嘅話，咁第日走難咪好勁，係咪？你帶住幾個殼去整蒸餾水，咁你咪可以一路 run 落去啦，係咪？咁啊好犀利，係咪？咁但係問題咧，終於咧，其實咧呢個謎題咧，終於係解開咗啦。佢解開嘅原因係咩咧？邊個想知啊？就係其實17年前咧，係世界上第一個人咧，係真係佢完全唔需要食嘢咧，而咧佢去到咧藉着 NASA， 我講緊係太空總署啊，佢哋嗰班嘅醫生科學家咧，係揾咗一間大學咧，經過400日嘅時間，上百個醫生，每一日監察住佢400日，係肯定咗用咗我哋能夠想像嘅所有 scan 法啦，所有嘅量度法啦，無論量度嘅血壓啦，佢哋個胃裏邊嘅食物啦，量度佢腦啊、腦掃描啊，所有呢啲嘅量度咧，佢肯定嗰400日裏邊佢係完全唔食嘢，淨係飲水嘅啫。OK， 然後喺嗰個過程當中咧，量度佢全個身體嘅所有機能，所發現嘅結果咧，就係呢個人咧係歷史上喺17年前咧，係歷史上第一個咧係證實咗咧，人係可以唔使食嘢，而並且咧，淨係用睇太陽嘅方法咧，就可以代替成為佢嘅食物。而喺呢個過程當中，令我哋好震驚，佢發現咧就話，其實人嘅松果體經過去到50歲就一路萎縮噶嘛。咁當時我哋研究佢嘅時候，呢個人都已經50幾歲，但係問題咧，佢發覺佢嘅松果體咧係生翻大喎，活躍翻喎，唔止喎，佢腦嘅所有呢啲嘅神經線咧，唔單止唔萎縮，仲不斷生多咗比常人佢就發現竟然咧，佢用咗一個方法咧，係可以使到咧佢自己唔單止唔使食嘢，如佢所講咧，佢話佢用咗呢個方法之後咧，佢係諗嘢快咗啦，聰明咗啦，竟然有咁嘅現象喎。咁但係問題首次咧，就係經過醫學咧去證明呢件事實嘅。
First I heard about HRM. I was attending an international conference. I said, what is so important about him? He says he has not eaten for over 400 days. I said, come on now, it can't be that.
Even if you pay me $1 billion, I will not eat. And this is what I have just revived. I have no claim that I have discovered it. It is only a revival of an old practice which was all over the world. My name is Hiraratan Manek, and in West now I am known as only HRM. I can't say exactly when I stopped solid food. It was prior to June 95 because accidentally hunger disappeared and I was remaining only on few liquids. But from 18 June 95, it's a recorded fact that I have not taken any solid food till date, and my entire life I am not going to take any solid food.
What he represents is somebody who has been under serious study by a team of neurologists, and I did meet and spend time with Dr. Sudhir Shah, who led a team that studied HRM for a full year under very rigid conditions.
I was very skeptical, and as I said, I thought it was quite ridiculous that a man would be doing 411 days fasting and remaining only on boiled water, and the survival is not known.
It was round the clock supervised by medical team, international medical team, and that is why the world is excited now.
We did his ECG electrocardiography every month. We did his CT scan and MRI of the brain. We did his electroencephalogram of the brain. We did his genetic testing. We did his chromosomal study. We did his hair sampling. We did extensive biochemical studies, hormonal levels and endocrinal levels, and so many things we did as the time passed. We made it sure that he had no access to food by any means.
He didn't use the word fasting, which was very interesting, because not eating was a kind of a result. That was not his goal. His goal was totally different, but something happened.
When we were analyzing his results, we didn't really find abnormality anywhere, except this finding of MRI, which showed enlarged pineal gland.
And this in and of itself is a very interesting finding because it implies that this is different than what a quote-unquote normal person would be. There are several areas that are particularly involved up in the brain that help to regulate most of our body's basic functions, including the pineal gland. So if someone were able to actually cause those parts of the brain to be more active than typical, then it's possible that how we maintain ourselves could potentially be altered.
咁事緣就係咩呢？事緣原來呢個人呢，喺10幾20年前呢，佢就去訪問印度好多呢啲人呢，去研究關於呢長生啊，即係可以長壽嘅秘密。咁而佢研究咗之後呢，就發覺呢有一個方法就係睇太陽呢，竟然可以長壽喎。咁於是乎佢去做啦，但係點知佢做咗之後呢，發覺個副產品呢，就係從此唔使食嘢。咁而事實上呢個人呢，到最尾呢，直至佢開始食翻少少嘢啦嘅時候咧，已經係過咗12年冇食嘢噶啦嚇。咁而其實咧，佢用咗呢個方法之後有個好處嘅，就係乜嘢咧？邊個想知道啊？就係咧，佢可以完全唔使食嘢鍛鍊計嘅嚇。當然嗰啲冇得假噶啦，係咪？你叫我哋當中一啲嘅人，可能唔食2餐已經趴喺度啦，已經嚇上唔到台領詩啦，已經。咁你會睇到你唔係講緊2餐，你講緊唔係2日，唔係講緊2個月，唔係講緊2個禮拜，唔係講緊2年，係講緊12年咯，係咪啊？即係夠真㗎呢樣嘢。如果你話咁呢個係咪有副作用啊？咁呢個副作用要等或者等多2個世紀或者等2世啦，係咪？咁所以呢種現象係真㗎啦嚇，好明顯係真，因為佢係經過係首次地球上第一個嘅人類咧，唔單止做到。並且咧係經過非常之嚴謹嘅科學咧去研究，基本上咧佢嗰種每日 check 試，你睇完之後你就知道，正常人咁 check 都死咗啦，每日咁 check 發400啫，你明唔明啊？即係你要身體極之好先可以每日咁樣 check， 又驗血，又驗晒你所有嘢，又要腦掃描，又要咁多嘢，每日咁樣 check 400日係咪？咁但係呢個人咧佢就有個好處就係佢12年唔食嘢啦，咁跟住之後咧佢可以食翻嘢。偶然食翻嘢，完全身體冇事喎，跟住完全又唔食嘢啦即係中意食嘢咧，只係為咗味道嘅啫，就唔係為咗肚餓嘅咁樣嘅喎邊個想學呢樣嘢㗎？咁呢樣嘢係好簡單嘅。咁嗱，首先第一點，我而家想帶出俾你聽咧，就係呢件事嘅 嘅果效已經係有20年嘅喺資料已經發布出嚟，出咗書，並且而家喺地球上喺大約2010年嘅全世界已經係35000人成功咗㗎啦。嗱，咁因為原因佢本身喺呢20年當中咧就周圍飛啊，周圍去啊，將呢樣嘢教俾人嘅，咁所以如果嗰樣嘢係假咧，20年咧就已經係太長，冇可能假到咁耐，因為講緊係佢日日都講座，咁講真，如果而家嗰個 schedule 仲忙過我嘅嚇，即係佢直情係每日都有講座嘅，飛去全世界唔同嘅地方咧，就係講關於你點樣以太陽做食物咧。咁而事實上好多人都已經係好短時間已經練成咗，而並且真係唔使食食物嘅，中意食又得，唔食又得嘅。咁所以變咗咧，如果你去 check 翻嘅話咧，佢係假嘅機會咧，真係好難啊，冇可能係假，因為有時最大問題就係佢係唔收錢嘅嚇，佢出本書都係免費，佢出嘅 video 都係免費嘅嚇，就係話按住呢一紮醫生嘅研究嘅時候咧，喺嗰400日當中 check 嘅時候咧，發現一樣嘢係咩咧？邊個想知啊？就係話竟然松果體經過佢哋眼嘅裏邊一種不知名嘅 receptor 一啲嘅接受光體咧，竟然咧原來有一條新嘅管道咧係建立咗咧，係直接通去由眼角膜通向呢個嘅松果體，而喺個過程當中，竟然咧係當佢望太陽嘅時候咧，佢個身體自己產生維他命同埋礦物質啊！即係話咧，佢其實咁多年唔單止唔食嘢，係並且冇食 supplement 嘅，係唔使食嘅，因為個身體自己產生咗出嚟嘅嚇。咁大家都知道，如果我哋維他命 D 就係啦，如果我哋咁去下沙灘曬太陽45分鐘，其實你產生嘅維他命 D 已經係1000倍多過 FDA 講話你每日需要食嘅維他命 D 嘅量。你嘅身體其實根本一早就已經係會製造，即係自動係製造咁多營養嘅嚇，藉住太陽喎。但係只不過呢個人咧發覺咧 activate 引發咗用一個方法引發咗松果體咧，而導致咧松果體咧用太陽咧可以製造到呢啲嘅營養啊！咁事實上你聽落嘅時候好神奇，第一我都覺得好神奇啊，所以我先至研究啫嘛。但係問題咧，歷史第一咧係已經有，我講緊咧係超過2000年歷史咧係有㗎啦。第二咧就而家我講緊嘅係經過大學段百日嘅研究咧，研究咗呢一個人咧而導致咁。